This video takes the configuration of an 8K by 2K screen as an example. System structure. Regarding the system structure, we need to connect all the cables like followings. Connect the power cables, connect video source cables, connect the Ethernet cables from sending card to the LED screen. Connect the Ethernet cable from the control computer to the control card via a network switch. Connect the Ethernet cable from preview card to the network switch, and HDMI signal could go to an LCD monitor. Then press the power button to start the equipment. Screen configuration. Please note, when the H-series video wall splicer is directly connected to the control computer, the control computer must be in the same network segment as the device, and the IP address cannot conflict with the device IP address. For example, the IP address of the control computer is 192.168.1.10. and the IP address of the device could be 192.168.1.x. The x cannot be 10. On the LCD interface of the device front panel, touch Settings, IP Settings, select the Manual Mode. You can manually set the device IP address, such as 192.168.1.166. Open the browser. Enter the device IP address 192.168.1.166 in the address bar. Press Enter to enter the Web Console login interface. Enter the username and password to enter the Web Console main interface. Click Configuration to enter the screen configuration interface. Click the New Screen button. Enter the screen name in the pop-up window. Here we name it as 8K by 2K. Select number of the rows as 1 and the number of columns as 2. Click OK and then drag the two 4K outputs which connect to the created screen template editing area. Click Save at the bottom to complete the screen configuration. Create layers with video source input. Click Programming to enter the layer editing interface. The left side shows all input signals, 8 2K input signals and 1 4K input signal, which can also be switched to the thumbnail mode. This video will demonstrate the editing of 3 presets. 1. Put 8 2K input signals on the screen in 2 rows and 4 columns. Make the LED screen display pixel by pixel. 2. Stretch a 4K input signal to the entire screen. 3. Put 2 2K input signals on the left and right and 1 4K by 2K input signal in the middle. Preset 1. Select the first 2K input source and drag it to the right screen area to complete the layer addition, and then enter the position coordinates. Width and height of the layer in the layer editing area below to complete the editing of the current layer. Follow the same method to add and edit the remaining 7 layers. After editing all the layers, click the Save Preset button. Enter the preset name and click OK to complete the saving of the current preset. You can see a thumbnail of the entire screen in the upper right corner of the editing area. Preset 2. Click the Clear button to clear all the current layers. Select the 4K input source and drag it to the right screen area. Then click the Maximize button in the upper right corner of the layer to quickly zoom the layer to the entire screen. Click Save as Preset 2. Preset 3. Click the Clear button to clear all the current layers. Add one 4K input source and 4 2K input sources to the right screen area and edit the position and size of each layer. And then save it as preset 3. Video display setting. Click preset to view the saved presets. After selecting the corresponding preset, click the blue button to quickly switch to the selected preset. Click Preset Playback to add multiple presets for list loop. Then click OK to save the setting. Click BKG OSD above the editing area to set OSD and BKG. Click the OSD button. Tick Enable Text OSD. Enter the corresponding text in the content area and set related attributes. And click Apply to complete the OSD text configuration. You can also upload pictures as OSD. Multi-viewer Device Settings. Click Multi-viewer to enter the multi-viewer interface. The multi-viewer function requires that the preview card must be connected to the LCD monitor or to the switch which is on the same network segment at each series device through a network cable. Click Screen to display the current configured screen. And click Input to display the current connected input sources. Drag the screen or input source you want to monitor to the editing area on the right, and you can perform real-time monitoring on the preview display or the multi-viewer menu on the LCD interface of the device. You can also click the MVR layout at the bottom of the preview interface for quick setting. Click the device to enter the device interface to view the current connection status of the device. On the interface, green indicates that interface is connected normally. White means that the interface is not connected, and gray means that the interface is configured and unavailable. The current status of the device is displayed below the interface, including device temperature, fan speed, and device voltage. Click the Settings to enter the setting interface for other detailed settings.